Hey, what's up, guys? Today, guys, I'm gonna drive the truck finally. I got the kingpin in and make sure everything's good under the hood. Oh, also, look at that. I don't know if you saw that, but rust is really bad and coming out. But I just got the kingpin done, guys. It's been like a week since it's been done. And I'm driving it. The brakes, the only thing that is wrong with the brakes is that, damn, it's just steering wheel's shiny, the glare. It goes all the way down. You know, it's right now it's like I'm pumping it, so like, you know, it's getting like it stops. It's supposed to stop like right there, but when I'm driving it, it'll go all the way down, and it has a little bit of air in the brake system, so it needs to bleed the brakes. I need to bleed the brakes, and the rotor and hub assembly, I ordered those, so it's gonna have a new rotor. The hub, it's all like together, that goes on the spindle, where the kingpin's at. So yeah, and oh yeah, guys, had to get the Brian L. Spilmers. If you guys don't know what that is, watch Fast and the Furious. But but yeah, guys. So oh, and I got the Permatex. Guys, it's a nice day. It's like actually 5 o'clock already, you know, and it's really nice. It's like 70 or 85. It's really nice. I'm already sweating, but like never ever, guys, I've never got like this crap to fix. I guess the people that had it before me really put like, I mean like, it's not wet, it just has a drip, and it's enough that it dries it out. So it's not like it's just like one drip, but then that drip starts just making like a little, you see, I don't know if you guys can see it, it's just like that much. And I'm gonna drive it to my mom's. That's what I'm gonna do right now, guys. I'm going to my mom's. It's Saturday today. I'm gonna upload this Sunday, so yeah, I'm just gonna drive it over there, test the kingpin. I drove it once. I drove it once testing the kingpin, and the tires were up, guys. It hits right here. It's just a little fitment issue. When I turn the wheel, it hits this, and it's not like I can like turn it a little bit so it won't hit it. Like, it's a 31, I think. What is it, a 31 inch? Yeah, it's a 31 by 10. 31, damn, dude, what the hell? Yeah, but you know, it looks good with the truck. So yeah, guys, everything's good. Nothing leaks. I do want to clean. I think I'm gonna do that. Let me try to fix you guys here so you guys can see. I'm gonna try to clean the transmission thing. The transmission housing, like, not the housing, but like, you know, the outside. Look at all that gunk. That's what I meant. All that stuff. I think someone's coming. Someone here? Oh, it's next door. I thought somebody was coming here. Somebody else parks here. But yeah, guys, I want to clean that housing outside of the transmission. And that's it. I'm gonna drive it to my mom's right now. What else? I gotta bleed the brakes. That's about it. Explain. I'm gonna get to my mom's. Maybe I did or maybe I didn't. But I'm gonna get to my mom's, and it's gonna get hot, the motor. So I'm gonna put some of this underneath. I'm just gonna spread like a layer, and hopefully it'll seal it. If not, I'll just take it off, do the gasket again, and just put a lot of this shit on it. And right now I'm gonna just turn it on. It hasn't been turned on in like, I'm gonna say like 4 days. So let's see what this thing can do. You don't have to push the clutch in because it's old school, but I do it anyways because it's, you know, I want to make it a habit, because when I go into another manual car, you have to do that, a more modern one. So, and it's just make it a habit, you know. Hell yeah. Nice. Oh yeah, guys, this light. I don't know if I told you about that light. Maybe I did, but yeah, I need to fix it. I put the bulb in there and it doesn't turn on. This is the little switch that turns it on and off, but it just stays on. I don't know if I need to clean these little things on the side or what, but yeah, I'm gonna open this, guys. Well, maybe I should close it. Right there, it's working pretty alright. Right there, you can't hear it, but oh, it rubs. It rubs real good. guys, because I'm trying to go that way. That's right. Now, that's a badass jam, guys. This was cracked in my toolbox at the house. I didn't even know it was like that. Oh man, so I think it's dry. And oh dude, it's good here. Damn, come on. I'm gonna show up on the other side. Yeah, my mom had like a little stick inside her house, like a shish kebab stick. I should have used that. I don't want to use one of these because it's gonna break in there. Well, maybe not. Oh man, it is really deep in there. Oh, I think I just got it. I'm gonna have to buy another one anyways, because I don't know. I have a feeling it's not gonna work, but it's gonna work. Maybe it's not gonna work. Ooh. Yeah, guys, I don't know. I want to spread it with my finger, but I want to have to use this butter knife because she didn't have no popsicle sticks. Or she did, but she didn't know where they're at. And I don't know. I want to go up in there with my hand. Oh man, she's warm. Ooh, shit, scared me. Ooh, baby. A little warm, hold on. Let's see. I don't know, guys. I got a big glop. I'm gonna just ghetto spread that bitch under there. Ooh, she's getting hot. Oh, you're getting hot, baby. Ugh. Fuck. Damn, I hope that fucking works. I have a feeling it's gonna work. This is just a little temporary fix, guys. I need to buy another bottle. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna leave it like that. But yeah, guys, everything's good except that stupid thing. And I ordered one hub. I probably didn't explain. My brain's going 100 miles an hour. It's just how it works. But I didn't explain that I did explain I got the rotor, and it's the whole hub thing. So I ordered one. I just got to gather up some of the other money so I can get the other side. And then I'll have two, and then that's it. Yeah, and she's good to go. And then I'm just gonna cover up this, try to rust. She's already rusted. Try to weld this, just patch, just stack up little spot welds and just grind it and make it as best as I can, because this is gonna be a lot of, if I ever want to do body work on this, it's gonna be a lot. Oh, look how I got it on there. I think I'm gonna go forward, but yeah. But other than that, guys, it's good. It's gonna chill here. Maybe I'll try to make a better sunset It's actually going down now. On the New Year's, I tried to like do a time lapse. It was so shitty, guys. I'm so sorry. The computer, like, I'll do the like, I'll speed up, you know, the video, and like the computer can't keep them. I put the music in and it can't keep up with it. Like it lags. It's just the computer's a little slow. I have to do it like 3,000 frames per second, and like that's the most it could handle. And it's not fast enough, you know. I need like 7,000, so I can get that fast cloud movement. You know what I'm saying? So, but I'm gonna try. I don't know. I'm gonna mess with it and see if I can fix that. But yeah, guys, I'll record other things. Probably Pancho messing with me and stuff. He's over there laying. He's waiting to get fed. I'm gonna feed him right now. So no time lapse, guys. I'm trying to like, I don't know. I don't got a tripod. Humps. I call him Humps because his name's Humphrey. But this is the cat from. This is the Puss in Boots. Look at him. Puss in Boots. Soy yo el Puss in Boots, the Spaniards. Puss. Yeah, guys, there's no damn time lapse gonna happen. Yeah, I'm just gonna film me and my dog chilling, hanging out. Oh, Panchito, I love you. Hold on, kitties. 1, pussy 2, pussy 3, pussy 4, pussy 5. So much pussy cats, huh, Pancho? What do? You gotta live with it, man. Yeah, I wanna feed them, guys. So, catch you guys in a bit. Hey, what's up, guys? Peace. Hope you guys can see me good. But I made it home, guys, to my place. I didn't check it when it like cooled down and everything, but I'm gonna say that it should work, you know, because it, you know, when I put it on there, it was warm, it was hot, it evaporated what was there and what was leaking. I know it doesn't work like that, you know, you gotta do it right, but if it doesn't work and hold, then I'll just take it off and put Permatex on both sides of the gasket like I've been doing, and just put some around like a sandwich, and then just put stuff around the sandwich and then just put it on there, because it's leaking between the two when I sandwich it together. One method's gotta work, you know, so many methods you do. But yeah, I made it home, guys. Everything runs good. I'm just waiting so I can get the other rotor, and that's it, guys. I'll probably upload this tomorrow, and that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.